Nice blizzard day out here happening.
I guess.
Hey, your ball's blue. Easy to find. Oh, he's strong. He pulls you, huh, Gaia? Get it, Gaia. A lot of snow today. It's good the horses have their coats on. Take a walk in the blizzard with me. Is it too cold to pick up, Argus? Having a really hard time walking through that deep snow. It's a lot of fun, this swing in the summer. Oh, we'll give her a little bit of privacy. She was going potty there. Argus, you going to bring that ball to somebody so we can throw it for you? Find it, Gaia. Where'd it go? Where'd your ball go? Dig it out. Where is it, Gaia? Dig it out. You did it! Argus, what's happening, dude? It's just beautiful here. Can't let the dogs run around this time of year off leash because there's coyotes everywhere. And what they do is they'll send one scout out and introduce themselves to a dog and then lure the dog out into the woods where the pack will be waiting. And a lot of people around these parts lose their dogs to that. While he's playing with the dogs, we're going to take a quick walk over here and look and see how the horses are doing in this. Got the chickens locked up today in their little village over there. Chickens don't do too well. Oh, there's the horses. Hey guys, is that your favorite spot? For some reason, this is their favorite spot. Sunny, wintry, big pasture. They love to hug this fence line right here. This fence is made out of pallets that we found, and we paint them, and our friends come help paint them. Pallets, free wood. Hi, big guy. It's GT in the red coat. GT is our resident Mustang. Oh man. Yep. Gulliver. You hiding behind GT this time? Last time I was there. Pretty cold out here, huh, guys? GT doesn't mind because he's originally from the Colorado mountains. Aren't you? And that's the chicken village over there. Not a chicken in sight, all hiding. Right? Chickens hiding, guys? Looking forward to summer? What's going on? Everybody's covered in ice. Nice coats. Got some nice coats on. There's the pups. Argus. I think Argus lost his ball in the snow. It's pretty deep in there. Argus, find your ball. What's going on, boo-boo? Gotta find it. Dig for it. Dig for it, Argus. Is it in there? Come on, Argus, find it. You could do it. Find it, Argus. Let's get a little help. Oh no. It's your favorite.